Mexican enchilada. Can we all say enchilada? When we're making them, we're going to use California chilies, dried, and pasilla chilies, dried. What you do with these is you put them in the pot, you wash them up clean, and then you start to boil them. As you notice, they're getting puffy, soft and puffy. That's the consistency you want. Once they're very soft and puffy, then we'll be able to clean them. We're also making chicken enchiladas for those of you that like chicken. Hi. When they're warm, you're still going to have to clean out all of the little seeds. The pasilla chili, you'll use the whole chili, whereas the California chili, because the outside of the California chili is still going to be very tough, you clean out the seeds, but then you're going to remove all the meat that's inside. So we're going to save all of that. And pick all that up. Oh, goodness gracious. Now we're going to have to put it in the blender. Just plug this in. Plug this in, please. Once you have everything into the blender, all the meat parts, you pour a portion of the water that you boiled the chili in into the blender. Are you still taking? Oh gosh. At this point you check the consistency to see if you need more water. So yes, you're going to need more water. You're taking this still, are you? Oh my goodness. Will take away some of the really hot, spicy kind of mellows it all out. Okay. You have virgin olive oil into the hot oil. Then you put your sauce, pre-cut chicken, and you have your cheese and your onions. You make the enchilada in the normal way. For vegetarians, you wouldn't put this. See, you can add anything you want. You can add olives. You can add any of the little flavors. I usually cut avocado later in case they'd like to have some on top. Once you've got that done, you come and you place it in your enchilada.